The oldest heifers in our young group just got put out so that the younger ones had a better chance of getting at the trough. And so this is their first time being out with the big cows, and they're all pretty excited about it. I have someone sneaking up behind me here. Hey. The sneak is Petals. Yeah. What do you think, Strawberry? Yeah. Yep. Somebody's got to show they're the boss. Take it easy. My boys were playing with the wagon train, and for some reason, this one got left in the pasture. Hi. What do you think about these babies being out here, Petals? Huh? Are they just going to ruin everything? Yes. The only two in this area now are Chamomile and Pledge. Chamomile's actually younger than Pledge, but she's a brown Swiss, so she's big. I don't know that you can really tell how bad it is on the video, but it's bad. And then this one's too small, and it's washing across. Because of all the rain that we had since the culverts changed, there used to be a gutter that would go here, and there's a pipe down here that takes it underneath here, and then it goes over there. But it's not working. And you have goats in there. Today we're having a get-together on the barn floor, so we're cleaning it all up. That's going to take place at 5 o'clock. But first I'm supposed to be having somebody to come by that bull calf that was born in the last video. We decided to name him Toby Beef, and the person that's coming to get him is going to use him as a bull on her Dexter cow. So that'll be different. So the barn floor is a work in progress. We're getting there. Is that your little straw plow? It's one way to do it. This week's project was putting the farrowing crates in on the concrete floor instead of the bases. And these 2 gilts were just brought over just a few minutes ago. And this will be their first litters. We have 2 more that are also due that will need to be moved quickly as well. All 4 of these are going to have their piglets in short order here. We only have 2 farrowing crates. The other ones are going to be put over here in loose pens, which we've done before, but using this area as a place for farrowing is new. This is only the second time that we've done this, and the first time we had them on crate floors. But here they're on concrete with shavings. They were good girls to move. Loaded them up on the bumper pool. Unloaded them here. Walking part of the Appalachian Trail. Hiking the trails is just one of the things that we like to do. There's a lot around here, and it's something that's free. It doesn't cost anything to do it. Apparently, Pennsylvania, at least in this area, the Appalachian Trail is fairly easy, but people say about having their boots destroyed a lot here in Pennsylvania because of all the rocks. That's what I heard anyway. No, I'm talking to our video friends. Say hi.
Hi. Come on. See him again. Let me see him.
So we just got back from a walk, and we have a surprise. We knew Ginny was getting close. Wow.
That looks like a heifer.
You did good, Ginny. What a nice baby you have. You got a little speedy thing. Look, it's got a little white nose.
I think it's a girl. It's built like a girl.
Shh.
Let me see your butt.
Wow, you're a speedy little thing. Hi. How are you? Look at you. My word. We think we have a heifer. It's a very nice day today, isn't it, girls? think, Lavender? Excuse me. These piles down here are the fill that we had dumped in here from whenever they were cutting the road back. So it's down here to fill in these ditches. Oh yeah, look there, Strawberry's the queen of the mountain. Yeah, I see you. Crazy girl. She's hot stuff. Finally able to get over in the field. Hey, thanks for watching. We're really excited that Virginia had a heifer calf. We've been breeding our standard and mid-size cattle to mini Jersey semen, and Arizona is the first heifer that we've gotten so far. I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see you next time.